So for my division, I'm going to use the partial quotients algorithm. And how this is going to work is we're going to find out how many times 6 will fit into 196 by taking smaller chunks to work with rather than having to focus on one large number. So I think the easiest way to do this would be to find multiples of 6 that are easy to subtract. So we're going to work with 10. So 6 times 10 would be 60, and we can pull 60 out of 196, which would be one multiple of 10. So what we want to do then is subtract that 60 from that 196, and that will give us 136. All right, easy enough. So we can go ahead and pull another multiple of 6 times 10 out of 136, which gives us another multiple of 10. And then we subtract again, giving us 76. And then again, we can go ahead and pull 60 out of 76, giving us our third multiple. And then that will leave us with 16. Well, we can't pull 60 out of 16, so what is another multiple of 6 that we can pull out of 16? We can pull a multiple of 2 out of 16, which would be 12. So then we are left with 4. We can't pull 6 out of 4. So what we want to do now is add up all of our partial quotients that we got. So 10, 10, 10, and 2. That is 32 with a remainder of 4. So our final answer would be 32 remainder 4. I like this algorithm because it makes the numbers easier to make sense of and work with. And working with multiples instead of one large number really helps break it down and helps understand division as repeated subtraction, and just helps the numbers make sense overall. It also kind of builds like a conceptual understanding that makes, finding out how many times 6 goes into 196 instead of just having to memorize like a bunch of steps.